That don't look good. Ah! The hell was that?
¿Quién eres? Te pregunté quién eres. Te pregunté quién eres. ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Quién? Tenemos un ahuevado aquí, ¿eh? Tenemos un ahuevado. Te voy a despertar, ¿ah? ¿Quién eres? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Ah? Por última vez, ¿eh? ¿Quién eres? Ahora sí, ¿quién eres? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Quién eres? ¿Ah? ¿Ah? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from, I'm asking you? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Come on!
I'm an American. My name is Leviticus Cornwall.
¿Quién es este hombre? ¿Ah?
No lo había visto antes. Me estaba siguiendo en el bosque. ¡Un tipo raro!
Estos ni siquiera te me darían así.
You okay?
I don't know.
Maybe there's still time to get to the other workers.
Oye, I think I hear voices coming from the other ruins down there. Let's sneak down and take a look.
Which way?
I'll show you. Baptiste, you don't look good. You should rest here.
Okay, you'll need this. Go! Go!
Come, follow me. Stay close behind me. I know a way we can sneak around.
Okay.
Keep quiet and don't kill anyone. If they catch us, they'll murder the workers for sure.
Who was that fella?
Shh! One of Hercule's men. Quick! Hide. Over there.
¿Qué pasa? Te voy a decir una cosa. Mi abuelo siempre dijo que la Guarma era la isla de la que Dios se había olvidado. Y después de estar aquí un mes, entiendo a lo que se refería.
No hay nada aquí. Hay que regresar. Tan solo 3 meses más y a casa.
Por favor.
Okay, they've moved. Come on, keep close behind me. Okay, let's move. Hey, guard, keep out of sight.
Ojalá Ángel se apure.
Ángel. Nunca hubo alguien con un nombre menos apropiado.
Diablo quedaría mejor.
Oh, pendejo.
Está enfermo. Seguro está disfrutando mientras tortura a esos bastardos.
Se le pone tieso el tetito.
Fue creado por...
Two more ahead. Take cover on the other side of this door.
¿Ratas? Criado por el mismo diablo.
¿Qué tal va todo para allá?
Ya casi acabo. ¿Saben? Por mucho que disfruto viendo a un socialista colgando. Ahorcar es un trabajo tedioso, ¿ah? Toma demasiado tiempo.
Estás enfermo. Toca ver cómo sigan los prisioneros. A ver si el gringo ya abrió la boca.
Claro que abrió la boca. Siempre lo hacen.
Come on, follow me. ¡Maldito bastardo! Down from there! Shoot the ropes! Damn! They're coming from behind us!
Got a hit!
¡Americano! ¡Atrápenlo! ¡Dispárale ese hijo de puta!
¡Mátalo! ¡Mátalo ahora! ¡Solo mátalo! ¡Eres carne de cañón!
Look out! There's one on the roof!
¡Elimínalo!
Shoot that one up top!
¡Adelante! ¡Mátalo! ¡La próxima tiene tu nombre!
That looks like the last of them. Vengan, hermanos. Estarán bien. Este gringo valiente le salvó la vida.
Thank you, my friend. I'm Baptiste. I work with Hercule. We owe you our lives.
Yes, thank you.
My pleasure. This place makes me miss home.
Take care, my friend.
Hercule is getting a boat lined up to get you and your men out of here. Just meet him at Cinco Torres.
We'll be there.
Good, good. Here, this is for you.
Thanks.
It's not much, but it's the least we can do. Good luck getting home.
Hey! Hey. So, what's the plan?
Well, I found the cave Hercule spoke of, and also a guide. She's up ahead. I think we can trust her.
Follow me. The entrance is along here. Just watch your footing. So, what do we do when we get Javier?
Well, gonna get the hell out of here. And set sail for the one place ain't nobody gonna be expecting us. Get everybody together and get ourselves back on course.
Where would that be?
Place we just escaped from.
You want to go back to Saint Denis?
If it was you got left, you'd want us to go back.
I'd want it, but I wouldn't expect it.
That's the point. Ain't no one gonna expect it. We come back from the dead, gather everyone, and we leave before anyone realizes we've even resurrected.
An insect biting you or something? 'Cause you gone, friend.
We look like what we are. A bunch of desperados on the run. But with the women, a change of clothes, we're a choir or a gang of pilgrims or something.
Whatever you say. We're a bunch of penniless fugitives on some Caribbean dump, sneaking through caves while two of our best men got shot back home. How could I doubt you, Dutch?
You got no idea, Arthur. No idea at all. I will do whatever it takes for us to survive.
I guess that's what I'm afraid of.
Hold on.
Why?
Gloria!
Ay, estás tarde.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Dinero, the money, the gold.
Aquí.
Dámelo.
Oh, it's genuine, you old hag.
Ay. Vamos. Vamos. Rápido.
Now that gold right there, that's the last bit of gold I have in my pocket from the bank. The rest of it is
At the bottom of the sea.
exactly.
Síganme y manténganse cerca. A la izquierda aquí.
You know, wasn't Fusar one of the fellers Bronte pointed out to us at the party in Saint Denis?
Yeah. You're right. I knew I'd heard that name before.
Yeah. So, I met up with Leon. That situation with the workers is dealt with. Captured, tied up, beaten.
Poor bastards.
No, that was me. Are you sure this Hercule fellers ain't just using us?
Almost certainly. But he's the best chance we have right now of getting out of this place. Won't be long before someone figures out who we are and sends word to the U.S.
So what happened with John in that bank?
He survived. Unlike dear Hosea and Lenny. The only one they took alive. Why is that, you think?
I don't know. I was already on the roof. I didn't see it.
And Abigail, I presume she was able to slip away in time.
What are you talking about?
You know, when I look back at all the chaos of the past few weeks, the apparent superficial chaos, I begin to wonder, maybe, for somebody, this is all going exactly to plan.
Still ain't sure what you're saying, Dutch.
¿Puede callarse ya? Estamos cerca. The door is stuck. You'll have to lift it.
Pardon me, my queen. Arthur, come help me with this.
Just lift it.
Okay, then.
Oh, that's it.
Por fin. Derecho. Ay. Ay. Aquí. Aquí arriba.
This way.
Sí. Then you pay more.
Okay.
More.
Just a second.
Pay more. Pay now. Ah.
Dutch? What are you doing? Jesus. Easy, Dutch. What was that?
Horrible old crone.
But you killed her.
She was gonna betray us, Arthur. Couldn't you tell?
No.
Well, I got some Spanish. She was.
You keep killing folk, Dutch.
I am just trying to make sure that some of us survive, Arthur. Now, shall we proceed?
I guess.
Listen, son, you think I want any of this?
I don't know.
Of course I don't. But I made a pledge to you all. We would survive, no matter what.
So how did you know she was gonna betray us? What'd she say?
It was in her eyes, in the way she was leading us.
But you said you knew Spanish.
I know human beings, Arthur.
Are you gonna strangle me next?
I'm doing the best I can.
But my friend! I do not understand. Who are you?
I come from Mexico. I never met those men.
Does anyone believe him? Mr. Simon doesn't believe you. Even the mule doesn't believe you. Eso ni fue para tanto. Así que deja de actuar. Sabemos que no estuvo tan fuerte.
Fue bastante duro.
No, la próxima vez será aún más duro. Bueno, ha sido un placer. Siempre me encantaron los mexicanos.
Enough of this.
¡Vamos, carajo!
We're going to have to sneak around. This way. They're all listening to that fool. They won't notice us if we stay quiet. We need to deal with them.
Well, I'm sure you got some ideas.
Shut up and help me kill them. On my count, you take the one on the right. I'll take the left. Okay, let's hide the bodies. You grab that one. Over here.
¿Saben cómo tratan allá los huelguistas? ¿Lo saben? ¡Les pegan un tiro!
Let's head around the back of the building and see if we can find a way through.
Eso sí que es el futuro. Esa es la ley y el orden. Lo que necesitamos en este lugar. Y así es como los trataremos aquí. Hay que tener mano dura. Necesitamos orden. La cobardía y la debilidad.
Let's go in there. Well, you know me. Arthur will cause ourselves a little distraction and then poof, we will disappear.
Maldita Guarma.
Take the other side of this door.
Ni es una civilización, un país civilizado. Me podría costar mujeres que usan zapatos. ¿Tienes algo de tomar? ¿Cómo sabías? Porque te conozco. Sí, escondí una botella. Voy a buscarla. Gracias.
Okay, you take the nearest one on the left. I'll deal with his friend.
Es una mierda. Es lo más bajo de una civilización.
I'm not sure that suits you. Over here. Okay, now we need to create a diversion.
What do you think? Find another old lady to strangle?
That is enough, Arthur. This is a war.
Well, if this is a war, then we need to start blowing some stuff up.
Exactly.
Got any dynamite?
Oh, no, we don't need dynamite. We got a furnace. And lots of sugar.
Sugar?
Oh, yeah. No problem. You'll see. Go close the windows and the doors. Go on, quick. Create enough dust. This place will go. Okay. We are nearly there. Kindling. All right, head on out and wait for me. I'll get this going. We'd better hurry. Follow me.
Okay.
I don't want to be too close to that building when it goes up. Come on, we can hide behind that well. That place has to blow soon. Get ready to make a run for Javier.
¡Maldición! ¡Coño! ¡Carajo!
Let's go.
¡Coño!
No
Am I glad to see you?
It's gonna be okay. I got you. Arthur. Cover us. We're gonna have to deal with these bastards first, Arthur. There's more coming. I'll grab Javier. You shoot us some space, Arthur.
¡Atrapen a ese infeliz!
Thank you. All right. Let's get the hell out of here. Follow me. This way. Stay with me.
You okay there? I'm here. Shit. I think he's passed out, Dutch.
Okay, let's move. There'll be more on the way. Come on. Come on, you goddamn animals! We're getting overwhelmed here.
¡Tienen de plomo al bastardo!
Let's go. Come on. Shit, they're coming out after us. Arthur, you got them.
¡Aniquilen a esta lacra con mierda! ¡Vete la mierda!
Come on. See if we can lose them in the feet. Head down towards the river. Okay, that was real close.
Son of a bitch got me.
Let's get across the river. We can hold them off from there.
¡Vete al infierno!
Is he okay?
He's passed out.
Or dead?
He'll be fine. I'll get him out of here. You stay here. Take care of these fools a bit.
No problem. Go quick.
This will give us a chance to get to Hercules Fort. I'll meet you there, Arthur. did what you asked.
It's like I said. Fusar knows who you are and knows the price on your head. It's a big problem.
I see.
But if we can silence him, then I can help you escape before anyone has time to get here from America. That way, we all get what we want.
We want to get the boat you promised us.
And you will. But you have found yourself in the middle of a war, my friend. Fusar has called in the Navy from Cuba. There's no way a boat could leave right now.
Hercule! Hercule, s'il vous plaît! Vite! Vite!
Come. Follow me.
Quick!
So now we have a real problem. This must be the boat he called in from Cuba.
That's a goddamn warship. You kinda have to hand it to this feller.
So I guess great minds think alike.
So what now?
We fight or we won.
Any of you boys feel like... What do we do?
I will go get the cannon ready.
Okay, let's get to it.
Morgan! Shoot them men! Shoot them! Fellas on the beach!
I see.
Here, cool! Get that cannon into position! I'll get the ammunition!
There's more coming down the right side of the beach!
Let's prepare a welcoming party.
Why the hell are we doing this? This ain't our fight.
Do you want to get off this island or not?
He's using us.
Just shoot, Micah!
You said you were getting us a goddamn boat, Hercule!
I am! What do you want me to do? We are trapped up here!
Look out on the left here, boys! Right side, near the fort!
Them bastards are almost at the fort! Gun them down!
Got one sneaking. All right there, don't let him get any closer.
Is that all you got?
I'm gonna need your help, my friend.
Sure.
Arthur, push the damn cannon! Come on!
Damn, this is heavy.
Damn! There's a whole lot more of them turning up!
This don't look good, fellas.
Oh, damn it!
Let's go down and clear them off the beach.
Wait, I'll come too.
And me.
We'll guard this thing.
Grab that shotgun, Arthur.
There's a lot of guns out there.
So, what do we do?
I say we push forward, because if we don't, we're gonna die here and now.
Okay, then.
Follow me? This is kind of fun. Okay, I think we can move.
Let's go! There are too many. We must stick close.
Come on, let's move down.
Yes, we need to push them back. The ship just hit their own men!
Very kind of you, Mr. Fusar.
There are boats coming from both sides.
Damn it. What do we do now?
I think I got a plan. Hercule, you take the left.
Okay.
And you cover the right side.
All right. Good luck, gentlemen.
There's another boat coming in on the left. Go! Another boat arrived! The right!
Look out! Another boat just made land!
Keep going! Just a few left now! Let's get down to the beach! This is not over yet!
Another boat's landing on the beach!
Great.
Just one more! Take him out!
Pídele ayuda.
I think that's all of them. Good work, gentlemen.
Back to the fort. Come on! Down! Damn! He's getting closer.
What do we do?
Two of us must go and use the cannon.
You go, Arthur. I'll gladly hold them off this beach a while longer.
You sure?
Just certain, son.
You think that cannon will be enough?
Only one way to find out.
For Christ's sake, how many men has Fussar got?
That's the problem. It doesn't matter how many we kill. He will have the money to get more. Watch out! Down! We will have to climb up around the side. This way. Wait, look! That one's going right for the Cossack now. I got him! Let's go! Up here, Arthur! Come on! Merde! You man the cannon! I'll get you some more shot. Aim by the water line. We need to put a serious hole in that boat.
Lance said keep firing!
Atop ammunition! Reloading! Look! It's taking on water! Keep firing!
Keep at them! They can't take much more of this! There we go!
Yes! They're going down! Let's get down from here. Come on.
That was quite some shooting, boys.
Thank you.
What now?
Oh, they'll be back. But I found a boat for you. And he should be arriving on the dock any time now.
Great. Micah, go meet with the captain. If he's amenable and discreet, tell him we'll be ready to set sail soon. Bill, come help me collect poor old Javier.
Sure.
Cool. It was a great pleasure to make your acquaintance.